Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay app tips and tricks. Quite a lot number of people that are using Alipay app are not aware about Alipay app different levels and different level of membership attached to Alipay. What you stand to get and what you stand to be, what you stand to do before you can qualify for each level in Alipay app, whether in Alipay Balance or Alipay Talk Card, as the case may be. I'm going to explain everything to you right here in this video, such as Alipay Silver, Alipay Gold, Alipay Primary, and Alipay Tier 1 membership level. What you stand to gain, you are going to learn everything about Alipay tier level in this video. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Alipay app. All right, so after you open up your Alipay app, I'm going to start with what you need to do before you can qualify for each level in Alipay. For every Alipay user, you start from primary level. From primary level, you move to gold level to silver, from silver to gold level to platinum and to tier 1 in Alipay, which is the higher rank of Alipay. All these are the kind of reward by Alipay, by Alipay service. What you start to do before you can qualify for any of these things, I'm going to explain it first. Before you can qualify for any Alipay membership peak, you need to make sure you are functionally use your Alipay wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the Alipay wallet. I'm going to click on my account right here. Then from account, I'm going to navigate to balance right here. So this is what qualify you for any Alipay level. The money you receive and the money you send out will determine the Alipay level and the kind of restricted you have not been committed in your Alipay account. You have to play safe in Alipay. You have to know where your money is coming from and where you are using the fund, because primarily those are the things that cause Alipay issue. So in this regard, I'm going to break everything. Now you know that this is only way that can qualify you for Alipay level. Then what are the things you can do before you can qualify to any upgraded level in Alipay? Some of them is that each time you are doing any transaction in Alipay, whether you are sending money out or you are receiving money in Alipay, so there is always a point that always be attached to every transaction you carry out in Alipay. So for you to claim your point, always make sure you look out membership right here. Or better still, proceed to your message right here. Open up your message. When you open up your message, always look out on your notifications right here. So open up your notification. Then under the notification, you see the service right here. Make sure you translate to whatever language of your choice for a better understanding. Here we go. You have Alipay points waiting to be claimed. You have Alipay points waiting to be claimed. Scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more you see some of these points. And some of these points here has a lifetime, which simply means that there is a certain amount of time you need to claim it. If you do not claim the point become expire and you lose that. So always make sure you claim your Alipay point in the notification service or notification pump up from your phone screen. Now, the more you claim this point, the more you upgrade to different level. So from the primary level to silver to gold to platinum and the third tier. What are the things you stand to gain if you are graduating to different level in Alipay? I'm going to explain it right here. So let's go back to my home page in Alipay. So I'm going to go ahead and click on account right here. Then, so at the time of making this video, you can see my account is in the gold level. So I'm going to simply click on gold right here. Just like so. And the next thing I'm going to do right here is to go ahead and click on this icon right here. That's going to take us right here. So how do we have access to all Alipay benefits for different level in Alipay? I'm going to go ahead and click on here. Just like so. These are all Alipay levels and the benefits attached. I'm going to translate this to English language so everyone can read right here. So these are what you get for privilege level. That is a new user in Alipay stage 1. Then you grow to gold member, which is my current stage now. And these are what I'm getting in the gold member. I have about 36 items to be claimed right here. I can scroll down right here and read more and more as far as gold member is concerned. So this is differentiate into different category. Under here, we have premium travel experience. What are the things you get from travel experience? So as far as gold member is concerned, I can get ride hailing discount, Fliggy 3 yuan coupon, 2 yuan instant discount, and join dinner at 50%. This is for travel experience for premium section. Then under the gold member, we have movie watching entertainment, then payment and wait entertainment, daily living expenses, and the expenses express delivery service for whatever you buy through Alipay. Hotel membership. Scroll down and see more details about different member and the different level of your account in Alipay. Then move to platinum member. Under the platinum member, these are stuff you get. Just scroll down right here and read details about platinum member. So under the platinum member, you still have some things in healthcare section. Then the last one here is diamond. The diamond member right here. These are stuff you get under diamond member and tier 1 member. Scroll down right here and see what you get if you eventually get to this particular level. All in all, before you can have benefit of all these, always make sure you're using your Alipay safely, and at the same time, always claim your Alipay point. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Alipay topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.